Good morning. We're in the countryside right now. It's early in the morning. It's 6:32 in the morning because we traveled like early, around 4 a.m. from the city going here. I bought Princess and Jumbo with me, and then But our Persian cat. Papa is here.
Asang kuan? Yun na. Ay, lapok-lapok na pa diya. Kasi balik Davao ka?
Kung magpapakyaw daw.
Pipyaw na ka?
Payak sila daw diha.
Ay lahat din na.
Jimmy is here.
Mutang ba ito?
Papart o buga.
Jimmy is here, guys.
Babro, tula, umuola na. Umuola ka na. Sabi mo,
Nanilok na si Jimmy.
bitaw.
Ilak di ka. Guys, magupit mi kay Gucci. Ano guys?
Napag sa aming dalawa.
Gupitan na si Jimmy.
Iyan na dito para dili.
Di anadya.
Ata ang ganina. Dili sa kumaguna sa.
Pagto ko bahangan. I bought this razor in Shopee because it's the barber shop here in the countryside is quite far. So this razor is very big help.
Stay home.
Stay home. This is what we call stay home haircut by Jimmy Boy. Upit ma. So Mama is the one who made haircut here, including Papa. She's the one who will make haircut. Instead of them traveling outside, they will do it at home. Ano ba na?
Ang gano'n mo dekat mo tingog.
Tigulang na ba na si Jimmy?
Lagaw nga. Igat kayo na.
Inya na uli ba?
Yan na. Ang may gupitan ko.
Mapapalit sa kog ano? Tandaway.
Ako ba? Naboy.
Ala, gwapo dahil siya man, no? Fully charged na na.
Ano din? Andesli, wala pa yan. Andesli, wala pa. Awon ko.
Hanggang yung katawa mo ko eh.
Andesli.
Yan na pangitag sa amin, mapag ginuhuman.
Yan nagpalaw sa amin nili kuman.
Lamay ako sa aming daldala.
Ah, yan na. Lingita.
Yan na pangitag sa amin.
Yan ang pangitag sa amin kay wa pa nang uban. Yan na nagpalaw. Uman.
Nakuluno na ni si Jimmy ba iniguli. So guys, si Louie, si Papa o si Alvin wala dili kay nato sila buwangan. Nabong sila guys kay Sunday man ron. Nanira nang kinabuhi na mo sa bukid. May pa-skinhead si Jimmy. Finishingan. Murag siminto kay finishingan. Ginoo ko.
Please na wala ko.
Wala ko yun. Wala ba ako yun? Nanapin na sa wapa.
Pagulat ba kay wa pa na.
Ay, ulihok Jimmy.
Paglihok kay mapahak yung karon. Dagko kay lugas din sa buhok ko. Grabe.
She's becoming a pro. She's becoming a pro hairdresser.
Ana hangad. Itayo na.
So, you know guys, who's Echegaray is?
Bitayo nun.
Ay, mani ang paabot. May kapit na. Ano mo kasi bimburo ko?
Legit na.
Legit ta, legit.
Bimburo ko ba?
Legit. Legit, Jem.
Di mula ko yung bimburo ko sa salida.
Oh, gwapo na kakay, Jem.
Sa salidang.
Wala na kag si Kerr, Jem.
Uy, gwapo na yun. Papuya.
Ah,
Kasukan.
wala, uli na. Layas.
Ay, ginoo ko.
Ay, luway mo.
Lagwa po na ang mong book, Jim. Oh. Wala mo tuloy mo ang charger, anak.
Pakita ko na o kanon gani.
Ah,
Sila.
na.
Ano ko, Mads, kabala na. Ganito pa.
Hello guys. It's already 12 noon here in the countryside. I'm waiting for Louis because he's out. I just want to show you some materials that we got here. We got some corrugated roof and then some cement. I think 10 sack of cements we got here, and then some sand and hollow blocks. We were gonna be using that one for the pig fence. You guys, I'm just gonna show you the recent construction that they're making here in the countryside. Oops, wait. So we decided to like put here near the spring so that we can have access to the water. This is going to be 6 by 12 feet fence for our pig. I know it's just small, it's not quite big, but this is going to be the beginning of having some pig here in the countryside. And maybe we can use the pig for fiesta, for New Year, for every occasion. And Louis planted some banana here, and then he also planted some coconut. I'm sorry guys. Good thing it rained here in the countryside, because lately there's no rain at all. It's like El Nino here. So the spring has water. You know guys, everybody don't like rain, but here in the countryside, rain is very important. Especially if you're doing farming, rain is very important. It helps crops to grow. It helps it helps people living in the countryside to have access with water. So if in your area and it's raining, please don't complain, because rain is very helpful.
Kaunsa ako ang paborito nga pa para sa pamahaw, panihapon, pang merienda, birthdays, weekends, o sa tanang okasyon.
Angelina's Bake Shop, sa New Jersey Supermarket.
Lagi akong gibot.
Okay guys, it's already afternoon here. We have purchased all of the materials, including this steel matting, and our pig fence will be right